Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol WKHS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one is doing its best to hang on. Today, unfortunately, it did pull back a bit more than on what I'm sure some people would have wanted to see it. But I mean, it is hanging in there, like I said, and the main level that I would definitely say to watch the closest now moving forward is right down here, right at that round number of $15, which I mean, it makes sense why the price did hold above that area. It's a round number, and the last time the price broke up above it, you can see that was really what catapulted it up to make a very nice move. So it was one of those areas where former area of resistance, and then when that was broken, there's just a rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken, they tend to act as support. So right there, you can see it now acting as support, and that's going to be one of those levels that a whole lot of people will be watching moving, not necessarily just on Friday, but in the near future. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. So that's what's going on here with that $15 mark. Like I said, I think a lot of people will be watching and wondering, can the price stay above it? And if it can't, I mean, no such thing as a guarantee, but if it cannot, then it wouldn't be shocking at all to see that create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So, I mean, that's certainly going to be a very important level. In the event, though, that level cannot quite hold up, next key area of support would then be down there at $14.25. So 15 and then $14.25, two main areas of support. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, for more so the overarching standpoint, I'm very curious now about this resistance trend line right there. It's done a good job of forecasting where these highs have been over the past few days. So keep an eye on that. So any sort of bounce up above there, then, that could create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, not a guarantee, but it's a more than valid thought that if the price, like I said, can get up there and then get a break of that trend line, that could very well create a lot of upside momentum. So we'll see what happens with it, but still one day left this week. So let's see how things play out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.